Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Dacia has pulled the wraps off a new special edition version of its Duster SUV. Called the Extreme SE, the new version is based on the range-topping Dacia Duster Prestige model but gains unique design cues, interior trims and a generous helping of standard kit. Orders open in April, with prices starting from £17,495. The Extreme SE edition brings numerous tweaks to the Duster's rugged, utilitarian design. Dacia has fitted gloss black 17-inch alloys, and there's a quartz gray finish for the roof bars, door mirrors and front grille. Orange accents also pick out the door mirrors and grille elements, while the body itself is painted in a new urban gray paint shade, although 7 other colors are available. The Duster script at the rear is black and satin chrome, too. The theme continues inside. There are flashes of orange on the satin chrome air vent surrounds. The Extreme SE gets gloss black inserts on the door cards, and there's charcoal gray trim on the center console. Orange stitching on the seats completes the subtle interior makeover. Based on the well-specified Prestige trim, the Extreme SE is fitted with automatic air conditioning, keyless entry and a multi-view camera as standard. Heated seats, blind spot warning and an acoustic windscreen are also included, along with Dacia's Media Nav infotainment system. This is based around an 8-inch touchscreen which features wireless smartphone mirroring and integrated satellite navigation. Under the bonnet, there's a choice of petrol and diesel engines, beginning with a 90 bhp 1.0-liter 3-cylinder petrol unit for £17,495. Dacia's turbocharged bi-fuel engine, which can run on petrol as well as LPG, is also offered, along with a conventional petrol motor producing 128 bhp. Next is the most powerful petrol model, a 148 bhp unit which is exclusively available with a dual-clutch automatic gearbox for £20,845. The single diesel engine offered is a 113 bhp 4-cylinder motor. So equipped, the car is priced at £21,645 and is the only model available with 4-wheel drive. The Duster Extreme SE will go on sale in April 2022, for delivery in May.